Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a pudding slime. So yeah, just look at the ASMR. It's going on really fabulous. So in a bowl, add some clay and a lot of lotion to make it like a soupy texture. Then I'm just going to scrape the lotion. I have no idea how the powder stuff came over there. And I'm doing a voice over here, so it's gonna be like a really weird thing. So literally I'm recording with the camera but in the app, so yeah. So now you can add some clear glue. Clear or white glue will help it. Any glue, either of those. Now mix it together until it like combines. So yeah, so you're gonna add some oil, like a few drops of oil. My nose is like, oh god. Mix it together lightly. So now you're gonna add some borax, anything you want, your activator. So yeah, add your activator. So I'm just gonna add borax. There you go. Mix it until it forms. And yeah. So it quite takes a lot of borax. So this time you can add the food coloring and all this stuff. So I'm gonna add it when the slime is done. Yeah. So just mixing it, add the borax and keep on mixing. Like that. So yeah, dance. So the slime is like almost done. When you don't like do the slime, so it should not stick to the bowl, so I'm just gonna add more borax and just mix it. It like wiggles in the bowl when you add like borax when it's almost done. So when it wiggles, just go ahead, go shake your hands and just knead it like I doing it. It's like stringy wiggy. Knead it really good. Yeah. Whoa! Knead it like wait. Poke it, crackly roses, crackly. So now you can do the ASMR, whatever you like. So, yes! ASMR time. So, ASMR time. So I'm gonna add my paint and literally it like spreads like butter and it's like a jiggly wiggly. So later on I'm just gonna mix it with a big one, you'll see. Okay, I'm getting the paint, just wait a second. Gonna take quite time because I was looking like a fool. I was like looking like a fool. Oops, something fell. So I got the yellow paint. You can use any color but yellow pudding. So add like a little bit of paint or food coloring, whatever you use, because it should look like a pudding thing. So when you make butter slime, you should like whatsoever. Just add more paint if you make butter slime, but we are not making butter slime over here. ASMR time. So guys, yeah, just hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment. So just wait, I'm just gonna mix it with the big one. So I'm gonna mix it somewhere else, but it's gonna come over there, so yeah. Yep, here's the moment. Yeah, so subscribe, like, comment to be, part of the members. So like, share. Don't share the like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Like, bye.